Welcome to Lesson 2 of our Zsh Shell tutorial. Today we'll learn to navigate the file system. You'll master commands like pwd, cd, and ls, plus some powerful shortcuts that will save you tons of typing. Let's understand how macOS organizes files. Everything starts at the root, represented by a single /. The Users folder contains all user accounts on this Mac. Your home directory is where all your personal files live. Documents, desktop, and downloads are folders you probably use daily. Applications hold your installed programs. And System contains macOS core files. You rarely need to touch these. Your home directory, shown with a tilde, is where you'll spend most of your time. Ever feel lost in the terminal? pwd is your GPS. pwd stands for Print Working Directory. It shows the full path to your current location. Here we can see we're in the user's home directory. Whenever you're unsure where you are, just type pwd. Let's see navigation in action. pwd shows we're in our home directory. Now we cd into Documents. pwd confirms we've moved. cd ... takes us up one level. Let's visit the desktop, then use cd- to go back. cd tilde always brings you home. Jump directly with cd tilde/downloads. Once you're in a directory, you'll want to see what's there. ls lists all files and folders. ls-l gives you the long format with details like permissions and sizes. ls-a reveals hidden files. These start with a dot. ls-h makes file sizes human-readable, like kilobytes and megabytes. Pro tip: combine them. ls-lah shows everything in a nice readable format. Let's see ls in action. A basic ls shows files and folders. ls-l shows detailed information. ls-a reveals hidden dot files. ls-la combines both options. ls-lh makes sizes readable. You can list any directory by name. Now let's learn some powerful path shortcuts. Tilde represents your home directory. cd tilde takes you home instantly. A single dot means the current directory, useful in some commands. Double dot means the parent directory. cd ... moves you up. Dash means your previous directory. cd- is like an undo button. And / is the root of the entire file system. Remember, cd- is like the back button in a browser. Here's my favorite time saver, tab completion. Instead of typing the full path, start typing and press tab. Watch. We type cd space doc and hit tab. ZSH automatically completes it to Documents. Tab completion saves time, avoids typos, and helps you discover what's available. Try double tapping tab to see all possible completions. Let's recap what we learned today. pwd tells you where you are. CD moves you to a new directory. LS shows you what's in a directory. And tab completion makes typing paths a breeze. Next lesson, we'll learn to create, copy, move, and delete files. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Coming up next, file operations with touch, mkdir, copy, move, and remove. See you in the next lesson.